Huh? Oh no!
The drought killed the tomato plants.
Aha!
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Run home and get the water truck.
Come on!
Oh!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Let's go!
We've arrived. Let's get to work.
Here we go!
Come on!
Okie dokie! Hoopla! Oh!
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Let's go! Huh?
Come on!
Hoopla! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh no, are you okay?
Come on!
Come home with me.
Let's go!
Here we go!
Rest here. I'll go make you some milk.
Yahoo!
Superstar!
Let's pick tomatoes together.
Come on!
Let's go!
Oh!
Those ripe red tomatoes look so beautiful.
Oh boy!
The leaves of this plant are not edible.
Come on!
Okay!
Superstar! I'm tired. Here we go!
Once cooked, scoop it into a bowl and enjoy.
Bye-bye!
Oh, hello!
Let's go harvest a sugarcane together.
Huh? Oh no!
The sugarcane was so tough it broke my knife.
Aha!
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh!
This is what I need.
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Here we go!
Oh no!
What's wrong with the car? Let's get out and check.
Hola! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh my god!
A short circuit has occurred.
Superstar!
Tighten it quickly. Start soldering again.
Yahoo!
Superstar!
Which car should I put the oil in? Then close the hood and try starting the engine.
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Here we go! Let's go!
Let's start harvesting the sugarcane.
Yahoo!
Using sugarcane harvesting machines makes the process much faster.
Come on!
Hola! Oh!
Okay!
Here we go!
Wash the sugarcane thoroughly and then press it to extract the juice.
Superstar!
Yahoo!
Sugarcane juice tastes absolutely delicious.
Bye-bye.
Let's go!
Huh?
The drought destroyed all the strawberries.
Hola!
Oh my god!
Oh no!
All the strawberry plants are damaged. Let's pull them out.
Aha!
Come on! on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Here we go!
Let's go!
Come on!
Let's go inside and get the tractor.
Come on!
Oh!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Yahoo!
Let's go!
Let's start plowing the fields again. This tractor is so convenient.
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Oh!
Okie dokie!
Let's start replanting strawberries. Water the plants so they grow quickly.
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Let's go!
I'm home. The car is so dirty. It's time to wash it.
Yahoo!
Finally, the car is washed.
Let's go!
Add more nitrogen to help the plants grow faster.
Oh!
Those strawberries look so bright red and delicious.
Come on!
Let's go!
Goodbye.
Oh my god!
Oh no, the plants are really lacking water.
Aha!
Come on!
I have to go water the fields. I will add more fertilizer to the plants. That's it. It's finished.
Come on!
Wow, that tree is bearing so much fruit. I will lose to them.
Wow!
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, what's wrong with you?
Are you okay?
Come on!
You lie here and rest. Drink some milk, friend. I'll wash the grapes to make a cake.
Whoa!
I blended grapes to make juice. That's it. It's finished.
Thank you. Bye.
The bell pepper field was completely devastated like this. We need to find a way to solve this problem.
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Let's go! Huh?
Oh my god!
Aha!
Help me! Help me!
Wait a moment. I'll be right there.
Come on!
Let's go.
Hook it onto the car and lift it up.
Thank you!
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Let's go!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Woohoo! Here we go! Woohoo! Okay! Oh!
These are the seeds. I will plant them again.
Yahoo!
Okie dokie!
Let's go to the fields and get to work.
Okay, let's go.
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Hoopla! Here we go! Hoopla! Woohoo!
Just sow the seeds and wait for the results.
Oh!
Large, ripe red peppers.
Okay!
Okay, let's go.
Here we go! I'm tired.
Yahoo! Bye! Hello, everyone.
What's going on?
Oh my god!
Oh, what do we do now?
Huh. Oh no!
Please help me. Please wait for me. I'll be right there.
Come on!
What's wrong with you? The rocks were blocking my way. It's okay. I'll handle it.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you for your help. I'm giving you a basket of apples.
Thank you very much.
Come on!
Whoa. Whoa. Hello everyone, welcome back.
Oh my god!
We need to put out the fire quickly. Is there anyone who can help me?
Hello, yes. I'd like to report a rather large fire at my...
To the structure fire now, ETA 5 minutes.
Come on!
Oh no! The house has been completely burned down! Yahoo! I'm here, so don't be afraid.
Are you okay? Let's go.
Let's rebuild the house together. We've already built part of the house. Now we just have to try harder. We finished our new house. It's amazing. Let's take a good shower after those hard days of building the house. Today I'm going to cook fried fish, which my cat loves. I'm sure my cat will be very happy. Enjoy your meal, everyone. We'll now take our time to enjoy the food.